I also want to ask you what would be, because many students would be curious about the perceptions versus reality of your job. Did you have
Hmm.
any perceptions that's changed or remained?
Yeah, I think my first initial perception was being a designer, you get to create all this cool stuff, and it's, just I think cool was really like the word because we came out of school super excited about being
Mm,
able to design amazing stuff and change the world. And product designers, you come out thinking, oh, we're going to design a product that's somehow going to be super impactful.
mhm,
But the realization is those thoughts are important and the skills that you learn are really important. But really, where I'm at now, it's always about, empathy and people.
mhm,
I think that's where I put most of my energy is trying to kind of understand people from their perspectives. Hard skills is always easy to learn, especially now with YouTube and Skillshare and anything, right? If I need to learn a hard skill for a new project, then I'll learn that. But something that I'm always trying to be in tune with is kind of like see the world in other people's eyes because we're building businesses for different people.
mhm,
So we have to always kind of change our perspectives to different clients,
mm.
you
I
know,
see.
and that can be quite difficult.